Hello! Today we are going to make potato cheese balls. I hope you enjoyed the video. First, we need 3 potatoes, 2 eggs, mayo, breadcrumbs, string cheese, potato starch, sugar, and salt. Wash the potatoes and peel them with a potato peeler. Cut the peeled potatoes into 4 pieces. Put some water and the peeled potatoes in a pot. Put 1 teaspoon of salt in the pot and boil it until the potatoes are soft. Use the chopstick to see if the potatoes are well cooked. If the chopstick goes into the potatoes easily, turn off the stove. Drain all the water into the sink. Put the potatoes in a big bowl and smash them with a fork. Put 3 or 4 squirts of mayo into the potatoes. Put 3 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt into the potatoes. Add 3 tablespoons of potato starch. This will make your dough stick together. Mix it well with a spoon. Put on your plastic gloves. Knead the dough until it's well mixed. Ta-da! The dough is well made. Cut the string cheese into 3 or 4 pieces. If you don't have string cheese, any type of cheese is fine. Be careful when you use the knife. Take a handful of dough and make it flat on your palm. Put 1 piece of cheese on the flat dough you made. And then make the dough round like a ball. Make sure the cheese is in the middle of the ball. Perfect balls. Whisk the eggs in a bowl. Put some oil in a pot. Put the potato balls in the egg. Roll the ball in the breadcrumbs. Put the balls in the pot of hot oil and roll them with your chopstick to make sure all sides are evenly brown. Potato cheese balls are done. Look at the cheese pull. It's so yummy. How did you like the video? Why don't you make potato cheese balls today?